I'm getting ready for my paper making workshop, and I'm trying to figure out what to wear between these two floral dresses. They are from Misa, Los Angeles, I think last year's season. And I bought several of their dresses through their holiday sales because they went down to really cheap prices. So definitely be on the lookout when they do have a sale. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out which one. Thank you, YSL Beauty, for sending me this. It smells so good. So I can't wait to pair that all. I'm going to be doing a private paper making workshop at a hotel. And I think it's going to be like maybe executive members. I don't know, very important people that are going to be taking these classes. I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be a fun time. So I'm going to be getting ready, heading over there. And this is kind of my last thing before I go on spring break. And I'll be taking you guys around for the week. I just came back from my workshop. I was pretty nervous, but I think it turned out pretty good. And I will be linking that tutorial on how to make paper for you guys so you guys could try making it at home. And now I'm officially on spring break. I'm going to pack for our trip to Victoria. We're going to be visiting the Butchart Gardens. I'm so excited. This has been on my bucket list. So I'm really excited to just see. I think it'll be a good time. Hopefully there'll be plenty of flowers to look at. So we're going to be flying into Seattle, and then we're going to take a ferry to Victoria. And then we're going to rent a car and then hopefully make our way to the Butchart Gardens. And then, yeah, that's going to be, I think we're going to be doing it in 4 days. So I'll be taking you guys around. I'm really excited. The weather looks like it's going to be perfect. I can't wait.
Also like to take a moment, thank you for playing with us.
give a brief explanation?
I'm back from my vacation, but I feel like I need another vacation. I'm actually really tired. But yeah, right when I got back home, I actually saw this giant package in front of my house, and I know exactly what it is. I'm so excited to kind of show you guys. It is going to be a sign for a wall in my workspace. So I can't wait to kind of style that and show you guys what it looks like at the end. I honestly don't even know what it's going to look like. So yeah, I'm really excited. I will be linking all their information below the video so you guys could check out that. And yeah, I think I might have to go shopping for some new vases and pots and things like that to kind of style this area. I'm gonna go get my husband to help me on this, and yeah, I'm excited.